In front of me is TECLAST T60 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. All you need to do is open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then tap on About Tablet and click on Current Device Name. Now it's time to type in wherever you want to, in my case Sunny. And to save your changes, hit OK in this pop-up and in this second one. As you can see, after that, name of my tablet has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!